Hey, let me show you how we can try to fix the messages problem when you cannot receive them on the Xiaomi Watch 2 from your smartphone. So first of all, we have to grab our watch, we have to swipe up from the watch face, and we have to be sure that the silent mode and the do not disturb mode is actually turned off. When you enable it, you don't receive any notifications. So that's important to actually get rid of it. Next, you have to grab your phone, go into the Mi Fitness application, go into the app notifications. Just be sure that the app notifications and the wake screen is actually turned on. And from this, you can actually synchronize all notifications. But if you don't want to get notifications from every app that you have on your phone, you can click here to change. And now from this, you have to select the switchers. So for example, if you want to receive notifications from the WhatsApp, you will have to actually scroll down, select the WhatsApp, and then click done. And you can do this for every application. And that's basically it. Additionally, you can also check if the do not disturb mode is not turned on your phone. So as you can see, I have this feature turned on, so I can actually turn it off to receive all of this stuff on my phone and then get it back in my watch. So that's all. Right now, please subscribe to my channel.